Hi dear cuties. Hope all are fine and safe. Am I right? Yes. Welcome to the lesson Water. In the previous class, what did we discuss? Yes, correct. Solute, solvent. Wow, correct answer. Solution. Then one more. Yes, that is solubility. Good. Smart kids, keep it up. Today we are going to see about two things. One is sinking and floating, and how impurities present in water can be separated. Okay, the first one, let us see. The meaning of sinking and floating, you know very well. Am I right? Yes. Sinking means it will go down into the liquid. Float means it will be on the top of liquid. Okay. I have taken some water here. I am dropping a small piece of plastic to water. You can see plastic is floating. Am I right? Okay. I have removed it. Now I am dropping a small piece of iron into water. You can see it has gone down. I don't know whether you are able to see. Okay, now it is down of the glass. Same thing, if you are dropping some other substances into water, it will go down and some will float. Am I right? So from this, what we can understand? The substance which is less weight than water, it will float, and the substance which will be heavier than water, it will sink. So which are the substances are floating and which are the substances are sinking into water? Wow, it's correct. Iron nails? Yes, stone. Good. So you people are throwing stone into water. Yes, inside river. Good. Then plastic bottle, if you are putting into water, it will float. Good. Anything else? Yes, plastic mug. Plastic items. Yes. Okay, dear ones. So some materials will sink and some will float on liquid. If you are pouring oil into water, it will float. Okay, good. Now the next one, let us see. How can impurities be separated from water? There are three methods. First one is sedimentation. Spelling SEDIMENTATION. Sedimentation. Second one is decantation. DECANTATION. Third one is filtration. Okay. So three methods we are going to see now. I have dissolved some soil into water. Okay. You could have noticed during rainy season, the water becomes muddy. How can get pure water? What your mother is doing? Yes, good. If we are keeping as such without any disturbance for some time, muddy water, the soil will settle down. On the top, we can see only clear water. Good. The layer of impurities at the bottom is called sediments. Why they went down? Just now we have seen because they are heavier than water, so they settle down. Okay. Now the impurities are down. Clear water is on the top. Now I can pour the clear water into another container. So I can separate only the clear water. Now the impurities will be settled in the container which one we took. That is called decantation. Okay, so sedimentation you have learned, and another one is decantation. And sometimes we can remove the rate, you can improve or increase the rate of sedimentation by adding some substances. One is alum, that is a white color powder. In big cities, while using water for drinking purposes, they are adding alum into water. Okay, so now you have learned what is sedimentation and decantation and what is filtration. Okay, if I am using a strainer, then I can pour water to the another container. Now the impurities alone will be in the strainer. You can get the clean water. Okay, so the impurities which is settled down in the strainer is called residue. The water after pouring into strainer is called filtrate. What it is called? Yes, that is filtrate. Good. Okay, now the process is filtration. Have you seen sometimes your mother is keeping some white thin cloth on the top of the container and she will pour water. Why? Because the impurities will be settled down in the cloth and you can get only clean water. So, what is sedimentation, decantation and filtration? You know now. Okay. To get water for drinking purposes, there are three methods. First one is boiling. In our home, before drinking water, what do? Yes, we are boiling water. Why? Because while boiling, the germs present in water will be killed due to hotness. The second process is chlorination. You could have seen in big cities the water, what they got it from municipality, that there will be smell. That is chlorine. It is none other than chlorine. Chlorine tablets are added to water because it will kill germs. The next one, in some of your houses, you will have AquaGuard or RO. They are also purifying water with some process. Okay, dear ones, today you have learned what is sinking and floating and methods used to separate impurities from water. With this, the lesson is over. Okay, take care.